The institution that is responsible for insuring our bank deposits only has 0.8% on hand to do so. So they're insolvent, one crisis away.
All right, so you're saying that gold and precious metal act like insurance, but why would one want insurance for their portfolio?
Well, to really understand that, we've got to take an honest look at what our financial system looks like today. Okay, so we've got a banking system that is a crisis away from insolvency. So it used to be, prior to 2020, that banks had to have a certain percentage of their deposits on hand in order to meet potential demands of those wanting to withdraw money from the bank. Well, in 2020, that requirement was removed. So now banks don't have to have any of the money on deposit on hand. And so who's backing them up? Well, it's the FDIC, the Federal Depository Insurance Corporation, which is, by the way, woefully underfunded. The FDIC, who insures all of our bank accounts, they have about $145 billion right now. That's versus $18.3 trillion on deposit. So in other words, the institution that is responsible for insuring our bank deposits only has 0.8% on hand to do so. So they're insolvent, one crisis away. Our dollar is being debased, and what I mean by that is we're just printing more dollars. Our government is currently shut down. We're doing this interview in the middle of a government shutdown. And then on top of that, you got all the conflicts and wars and trade disputes and all these other things going on. So given this, do you feel like you might need more insurance or less in your portfolio right now? Gold and silver are time-tested, universally accepted, real, tangible forms of wealth that thrive when everything else fails and that you maintain full control of. It is the ultimate safe haven asset for wealth preservation.